Hey guys, Justin here. Welcome to my product Orbit. Now, just a very brief and quick run through on Orbit and how it works and what it's about. Obviously, the very first thing you'll probably see is a create an account page, and that looks like this. Obviously, very self-explanatory. Create an account. I've already got an account because it's my product, so I'm just going to log in, and it's going to take you to this sweet, amazing looking dashboard and members area. I mean, you might say I'm biased, but it just looks so sleek, so clean, just very, I don't know, very engaging to the eye. I really like it, and I hope you guys too. I know you will. Now, the very first thing I just want to point out is obviously to the left, you see these scheduled components here of different trainings. This is specifically structured for you guys. Make sure you follow it in order because we've, like I said, strategically placed all this training in specific order, just so we can maximize your full potential and you get the most out of this course, all of it, this amazing course. So this is the page. Obviously, you have some buttons down below. I've got like a bit of an intro video. Now, these buttons are very self-explanatory. So let's just get cracking. And, so we got a welcome to Orbit. And then the next thing we talk about is YouTube algorithm in 2021 because it's changed now. Back in the day or a few years ago, YouTube algorithm worked without getting too deep in it, worked in a completely different way than how it is now. So I literally explain how the algorithm works in 2021 and how you can move forward and start ranking your videos right up on top of the heap. So just goes through a bit of an overview on that. Very next module is Rank Booster. Rank Booster, full of some amazing things. We have, you know, the importance of keywords and tags. So let's just click on that and just see what happens. And as you can see, this training comes out about tags and the TSC formula, a very manual way about tags, and really shows you how you can use tags in 2021. Same with keywords and description, goes through how important they are and where they're important. So, and then the next part of Rank Booster is vidIQ. vidIQ is a cool little software or website that you can use to help, boost your videos right up the right up the top of the heap. And then TubeBuddy, another really good tool that I use, and a lot of affiliate marketers use. And this just, I mean, the course will explain it without me getting. I'm just getting excited, guys. I really want to tell you right now what it's all about, and what these functions do, but I'll just let you figure that out for yourself. But as you can see, all you got to do is click on this training, and it comes up with the training videos for you. So let's go to CTR and title. CTR is click-through rate, in case you don't know. So we'll click on CTR. We just speak about the click-through rate, how you can get a better click-through rate, and then we go to thumbnails because thumbnails is important with click-through rate as well. I mean, having a very aesthetically pleasing thumbnail like this course, as you can see, people engage with it better. So, I explain how to do the perfect thumbnail. Audience retention and video quality, another really good one. So get maximum retention. We have the video on that. Rocket launch. Now we're really starting to pave the way and make some progress here. Embedded and social media. Got some videos there. And then again, we got build your email list, end screen and cards, some very important things. So like I said, like the rest of them, you just click on these training modules and it will come up with the relevant video. Backlinks. Backlinks is another very important video that you can use or training that you can implement. It really helps to get your promotion or your link or your video, I guess, exposed on a broader scale and get more eyes on it. Maximize your results with this free strategy. So we got a launch jacking course there as well. And then we have some amazing case studies. And we got some upgrades. So let's just have a look at these upgrades. There's Kaleem with the case study. So we got some amazing upgrades too, guys. Upgrade number one is I'm going to give out my 2 best secret hacks that can boost your video ranking, skyrocket methods that have never been shared before. Very, very important. I guess skills that I'll be teaching, and that only the best affiliate marketers know about. Not many people know about. It's very underground, very hush, and they don't want you to know about it. Simple as that. Number two, you just basically get the reseller rights, and you can sell this course like it's your own, and you can make some profit and passive income that way too. And number three is very, very amazing, very high ticket, but an amazing upgrade, and that's you can, if you want to launch your own, if you're a beginner affiliate marketer and you want to do this, you want to launch your own product, your own course, whatever it may be, this basically is done for you. So I put you in front of a team that I work with personally, Team Alpha, and they literally basically build the product for you. I mean, you obviously you put in your ideas and you play a part, a significant part, but they show you how it's done, and they do, they basically do it for you. Okay, and then I have some amazing bonuses. All right, so I've got 5 bonuses included in this cool informational product called Orbit. That's basically it, guys. We got a support area too. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out. But guys, I know you're going to get a lot of value out of this course, Orbit. I've put a lot of time and work into it. So has my team, which is Team Alpha. We've created a very valuable product here, guys, and it's really going to up your game, and you're going to start getting some instant results as soon as you, um, get the members area and get Orbit. So get ready to skyrocket your not only your videos but your income into Orbit, because that's what we do here, guys. Thank you very much, and all the best.